Welcome to section 13, attaching steering servo. We're going to go through this. Okay, I got my steering servo and it was set up previously. This is the section we're going to be working in. And I've got all my hardware. Alright, so let's build this adjuster. Okay. Throw this one on. Making sure it's straight. Nope, not straight. Nope. Yep, I'll call that 5 millimeters. Okay, so now we're going to put the two supports in. MA5 from the bottom. And it fits right in those two slots. Magnetized. There we go. Make sure it's going in straight. Yep. Leaves a little room for adjustment. Now we're going to rotate this over. Okay. Okay. All right, good. So now, got that set up. So now we insert the servo this way. Run the wire underneath. Or I should say through. There we go. Okay. And then we got 4 holes there. Boy, that's going to put a little bit of a pinch on it, isn't it? The receiver's going to be about there, so okay. So that goes there. So now we got to adjust that arm that attaches to there. We can adjust by height by MA2 with the spacer or MB2 without the spacer. It connects over to that. So now we gotta see. Okay, so that I think needs to go up. So if we put a spacer and a spacer, I believe that is going to be much better. Yep, that's going to be much better. Okay, so Sorry, I imagine it's probably boring just watching me screw this thing in. Okay. All right. That is the right height. Got it. Bingo. All right. And that's all straight. Okay, tighten that down. I always want to try to do a crisscross pattern and make sure it evenly goes down. And again, there's not an inch-pounds torque spec. I'm sorry. An inch. Yeah, inch-pounds torque spec. Just remember, if this mount is loose, it's going to be loose, but don't overstrip them. Okay. That's why I like the metal mount. I'll be getting the metal mount. Okay. That was number 13, attaching the steering servo. That's going out there. Those are lined up there. That is adjusted for that. That is relatively aiming dead straight almost. I can make some minor adjustments using the controller. Okay. That was number 13.